Here is some information for those of you with Oracle eBusiness Suite. Bad news first. For now, Oracle has not certified the new M5 procedure together with Oracle eBusiness Suite. If you have a database that you must migrate today, you have to use the former v4 Perl script. But don't worry, the Perl script has been a trusted companion for us for many years, and we've done many successful migration using those scripts. One of the customers that have also used the v4 Perl script with success is Advania, an Icelandic tech company that takes care of business for many companies in Northern Europe. One of the databases that they had to migrate was running on a Spark M7 supercluster. It was an Oracle eBusiness Suite that they wanted to move to a brand new shiny Exadata cloud customer. They were using Transportable Tablespaces and the v4 Perl script. Luckily, Advania is such a cool company that the source database was already running on a recent release update. We just had to add the data bundle patch on top, and all was fine. In the end, Advania managed to migrate the database in around 16 hours. It might sound like a lot, but those of you that are familiar with EBS databases knows that they are monster databases containing hundreds of thousands of objects, and it really does take a while to export and import with data pump, especially because there are no parallel capabilities for transportable jobs in 19C. Overall, the team at Advania managed to do the migration within the agreed maintenance window, including encrypting all the table spaces on the new clouded customer database machine. I asked the team at Advania which learnings they would like to share with you so your migration can be easier. The first is that you should test. It is a complex project and you need to get it right. And you can only do that by testing on realistic data over and over again. You also need to take the different procedures for EBS migrations, put them into a common runbook, and customize it to your specific environment. Use the same runbook over and over again so you can continuously improve it. That way, your production migrations will be super easy. Also, the team at Advania could use AWR to identify bottlenecks in the data pump export and import. Some of those bottlenecks originated from objects that they were no longer needed. They could simply clean up the objects, and the export and the import ran faster. And finally, since you need to redo the test over and over again, it's a good idea to create a skeleton target database that you can customize to your exact need. Make a clone or a backup so you can use it over and over again for all your tests and eventually for the production migration. Hopefully, using these advices, your migration will be easier.